What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Jay and you are on Solid Gravy Computing Channel. Today we're going to talk about Bluestacks. What is Bluestacks? How to install it, how to use it, and is it good? Well, first of all, Bluestacks is an Android emulator. And what that means is it emulates Android. So it's basically pretends you set up your PC and it pretends to be an Android tablet or phone. So a great way to play Android games on your PC or laptop. It is available for Mac as well as PC and Windows. I'm running this currently on Windows 10. So first thing you want to do is go to bluestacks.com. Make sure you do go to bluestacks.com, not any other website, and click the download Bluestacks button. Very nice and easy. Very easy stuff to do. Follow the install process. There's nothing complicated in the install process. The app is free. Remember that. If you are asked to pay for it anywhere, there is no payment required. So make sure you are getting it from the correct website. Once it is installed, it will look a little bit like this. This is what it looks like after you've installed Bluestacks for the first time. So basically it is a tablet, an Android tablet. It does have its own little front end on it, which is the Bluestacks front end. It does hide a few of the advanced features. So if you go into settings, it does hide a few things. You know, if you're comparing it to an Android phone, it is a little bit different, but it is the same thing, and it's able to play your Android games quite easily. So first thing you want to do when you have installed Bluestacks for the first time is jump into the Play Store. This is what I do. And when you first jump into the Play Store, you'll be greeted with do you have a Google account? So very easy stuff. Put your Gmail account in there and put your password in and click next, and then you have access to the Google Play Store. A little tip that I suggest doing is creating a specific or generic Gmail account for your Android emulator. Don't use your normal Gmail account, the one that you normally use on a daily basis. Create a new one just for the emulator, just to keep yourself a little bit more private in case there's malware or spyware on the emulator itself. You want to keep it separate from your everyday use. So once you've created the new account and put it into the Google Play Store, you will have access to all the apps that you would normally find on a Google or an Android device. So what we're going to have a look at today is some of the popular games. I have actually already installed a couple of games that I play. War of Crown, which is new, and Seven Nights. Now, if you jump into these, I'm just going to load up Seven Nights very quickly. You'll notice, look, it looks exactly like a phone. It runs exactly like a phone. It looks fantastic. It runs fantastic. I haven't had any issues yet. I've only been playing on it for a short period of time, but it operates really, really nicely. So it is a good alternative if you don't have a spare phone or want to play two games at once. This is what you do. So let's jump in really quickly and have a quick game. Just want to show you the speed of things. I mean, depending on your internet speed, there are. But the loading screen, loading up the information on the device itself is amazing. Let's jump into a quick adventure mode. Here we go. Really quick, really responsive. You're pressing your buttons. It's really nice and quick. Graphics are nice. You can change the resolution. I'll show you that in a second. But there it is, guys. I mean, it's flawless, really. Running really nice. And this Bluestacks is currently set up on the default settings. I'll quickly show you what those are. Preferences here. So default settings, resolution 1296/729. You can change that if you want to. System, I've left it on default again. It's giving it just under 2 gigs of RAM, which is not too bad, I suppose. It's giving it 2 CPU or two cores. Again, it's default. Might increase that. So that's going to increase the quality, the image quality there. It does require a restart. That's not a problem. But I mean, it's basic. There are advanced settings within the device itself. If you're used to Android, you'll be able to change those. Again, you're pretty safe just to run it on its default settings. There's no issue really here. I mean, as you can see, it's running quite nicely. There we go. But that is the game in a nutshell. Working quite nicely, as you can see. No issues with it. Runs quite well. Let's quit out of that real quick, and let's install something else. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and install a new game. Let's find something a little bit more action-packed. Let's have a look through here. What do we got? We have Drag Battle Racing. Let's try that one, why not? Let's give that a go. So I'll be back with you. I'm going to speed up the download process so you don't have to wait forever. Actually, no, it's actually quite quick. Okay, bear with me. Let's give this a go. I will speed this up for you guys, don't worry. Okay guys, so it has finished downloading all the content, so hopefully we are good to start. Here we go. Toyota 86. This is the intro scene here. I think graphically not looking too bad. I mean, it's not the greatest graphics, but let's skip across here and go and win. So I don't know what the... Oh, okay. I have no idea how to play this game, but we'll work it out. I got some grip, that's good news. You can set keybinds to this game as we go along. This is going to be fun with a mouse. Yeah. And we're taking use nitrous boost. Okay, let's nitrous it up. And anyway, as you can see, it's a difficult game to play with a mouse, but as you guys can see, it works quite well, works quite nicely. No issues running that. The graphics aren't the greatest, but I won that one. Yeah, I won that. Yeah, I won it. I won it. Yep, that's fine. I wonder if you can change the graphic quality in this. Let's have a look real quick. Settings probably be in here. Settings. No. Maybe no. That's just that. So there's no graphic settings. But have a play around, guys. Have a play around with Bluestacks. Download the games that you enjoy playing. See if they work. If they don't work, it's most likely due to the settings of the game or not allowing it to be working on emulators. Have a play around with the settings for how much RAM you allocate to Bluestacks as well if you're having trouble with the game running slow. But give it a go. If you have any questions in Bluestacks or anything to do with Android emulation, let me know. I am going to spend a bit more time with this off camera and try and work out a few more things for myself. So if you do have questions, please leave some comments below. If you did enjoy the video or it helped you out, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we do appreciate any feedback possible. Thanks again guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.